Okay, so we're going to put in some very, very simple windows into our structure here. So we're going to assume that this is a regular kind of apartment that you would have a hallway on this side, a neighbor on this side, and then it's a corner apartment. So we're going to have windows on this side and windows on this side. So I'm going to spin this around. Come on. Spin this around to right here. Okay, I'm going to put a nice window right here. So this is just very simple. We're not doing any like set sizes or anything. We're just trying to get the job done. So we're going to go on the face right here and just kind of do a nice big window here. Okay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the offset tool. When I do the offset tool, I can type F, and then I offset, go to the edge here, and then I'm going to go outside 3 inches, and I tap Enter. And that gives me that right there. Okay. So now I'm going to zoom in on this. Okay. And I'm going to tap the push-pull tool. Okay. I'm going to push the wall in, okay, until I get that on face. And you see how the colors kind of like, it almost looks kind of a mirror. When I click on that, it will cut through. So now I have a hole in the wall. You can see through there, okay, which is kind of cool. All right, I'm going to use the push-pull tool and I'm going to pull out, okay, and, oops, sorry, whoa, no, not this far. I'm going to take it out 1 inch. You can see that that's in the distance in the lower right corner, and I'm going to type Enter. This is just a little bit of a lip on the window. Okay, on the inside, I can tap the space bar to get back to my cursor. On the inside of this, actually, I can get rid of my model person here. I just highlight her and then delete her. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, and this is going to seem kind of strange because I have this giant hole in the wall here. I'm going to draw a rectangle around it. Okay, rectangle corner to corner, and I'm going to do that, and it's going to appear that the window is closed, which is okay for the moment. We're going to do that basic same thing. Okay, I'm going to tap F, which gives me the offset, and then I'm going to go on the edge, and we're going to go out again. Whoops, we're going to do it. my mouse is being silly. Okay, I'm going to go 3 inches and hit Enter. Then I'm going to grab the pull tool, and we're going to tap. I don't want the whole wall selected. I'm grab the push-pull tool, and I'm going to grab this lip here and go 1 inch and go Enter. So now I have a little bit of a lip, so it looks nice. Looks more like a real window. Over here on the right, I'm going to select materials, which is this guy, not components, excuse me, materials right here. And under these different kinds of menus, we have all these different materials. What I want to do is select the glass and mirrors one. And then I'm going to select this piece right here. This is a mirror. We're going to do this piece right here. I'm going to select that and I'm going to put it right in the center. And what it does is it actually creates like a piece of glass that's slightly dark. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to play with this. I'm going to actually put some, so we have a little bit of sky reflecting on the outside of the window. So we have dark on the inside. You can still see out. And then on the outside, we have some like sky reflected, which looks pretty cool. Okay, well done. Meanwhile, in all of these things, I'm going to be hitting save. Okay. All right, so that's looking pretty good. So we're gonna zoom out. I hope you guys, so I'm using the center wheel again on the mouse. And I'm going to throw a window on here. Okay. So we're going to go, it can really be anywhere. Okay. This is a bedroom window. So we're going to put it, I don't know, like right about here. Okay. Maybe we'll do it a little higher because bedroom windows are slightly smaller. Okay. And we're just going to repeat that same procedure. You're going to go F. Okay. Once you draw the rectangle, tap F, you get the offset tool. You want to go from this edge out here, 3 inches, 3 inches. You can see me typing that in the distance thing in the lower right. Hit enter. Pull. We pull the outer frame out 1 inch. We push the inside frame in until it looks like that. You kind of move slowly and it'll go in. And that cuts it out completely. I'm going to swing this guy around. Remember, when we go like this, we're going to go, I'm going to go back to the rectangle tool so I can tap R. I'm going to go corner to corner, and it's going to appear to seal that window up again. Tap F. We're going to go from this edge right here out 3 inches. Oops. I'm going to go one more time. 3. Ooh. Okay. Just a second. I got this weird window up here. Okay. One more time. So we go F, and then we're going to go 3 inches, enter. Push pull. We're going to pull the windowsill out 1 inch. Remember, I take on the inside of this. On the inside, I want kind of a clear surface, clear gray. And on the outside, I want that sky color right here. Click that, click here. Okay. On this side, so every bedroom has to have a window. I'm going to throw another window on here just because windows are great. I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can. So we're going to go here. I want to put this is our other bedroom right here. So I'm going to put another window. Actually, I'm going to reference it here so I can get it across in the same height. Okay. Yikes. Come on. Oh, it's acting foolish. Okay, that's not working. Try it again. Here. Nope. Okay, one more time. Okay, here we go. One across to here. Okay. I'm gonna just hover over this and it gives me an endpoint. Okay. So I'm gonna go over to like right here and then go, oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. I'm gonna draw just 2 random rectangles on here. Okay. There we go. Corner to corner. That will be center. There we go. Corner to corner, nice big window. Corner to corner, nice big window. Okay? They don't have to be perfect. I'm going to tap F on the edge, 3 inches. F, edge to edge, 3 inches. Take the push pull tool, tap P. We want to go, make sure that nothing is selected already. We want to pull the outside out 1 inch. Same thing here on the frame, out 1 inch. We're going to push the inside in until it gets that kind of two-tone look. That will mean it's cut all the way through. You want to be very careful doing this. There we go. We're going to spin this puppy around. Okay. We're going to go rectangle edge to edge. Okay. Corner to corner. It seals up the window, or appears to. F again, edge here out. We're going to go 3 inches. Push pull out 1 inch. Okay, remember 1 inch. Enter. Same thing here. Actually, I can do the glass now. Inside here, and then window or reflection on the outside. Come on, there we go. This one, oh, I have to do the gray on the inside. This one we're going to use the rectangle tool, corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. Okay, one more time. Corner to corner. All right, one more time. Corner to corner. There we go. Until it seals up. Tap F at the edge, drag out 3 inches. Push pull tool, grab the inside, pull it in 1 inch. We are going to grab this. We're going to do the inside, the gray, and the outside is going to be the clouds. All right. The last windows we're going to do is for this interior, this master bath. Okay. So this master bath, we're going to do 2 little small windows. Okay. So for this little guy, I'm going to draw on the face here. I'm going to go like so. Okay. Now I'm going to play with this a little bit. Okay. We want to do, so we kind of have a long window. You want to picture this as being the window that's going to be above the bathtub or above the shower. Usually bathroom windows are up high, so that when you're changing, your neighbors can't see in. So those are things to think about. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is grab this guy. And we're going to find the midpoint, and we're going to go, okay. So midpoint right here down to here. Okay, so we want to draw a line across that, but I actually started this in the wrong spot. So we can do that and then hit undo. We're going to start here, and then I'm going to come across to here. So I'm going to go here to here. Up to here. Okay, so I want to do that one more time. I'm going to go from this midpoint, click once, and then I'm going to drag up to this midpoint because I want to know the exact center line of this thing. Okay, now from this line, I want to go, we're going to go 3 inches to the right. No, excuse me, 1.5 inches. Actually, we're going to wait on that. Next thing we're going to do, tap spacebar. We're going to go to use the offset tool. That's F. Grab from here, drag out 3 inches, enter. Okay, so that's going to give us our lip on that. The next one we're going to do is we're going to go back to that measurement tool. Not tool, sorry. We're going to go to this tape measure tool. We're going to go from here. And then we're going to go out like this, 1.5 inches, and hit enter. So I can drag from here. Whoops. Okay. One more time. I actually want to start here, and then we're going to go out this way in this direction. So don't start on that line. 1.5 inches, enter. I want to go to the left. We're going to grab here and go this direction to the left. 1.5 inches, enter. Take the eraser tool and then erase the middle line. And I'm going to draw, tap L, and I'm going to draw a line from here to here. There we go. Okay. And from here, looks, that may be one reason that's not working. Well, that's disappearing. Okay. I'm going to tap here. Okay. Zoom out. And then up here, like that. Okay. Let me look at this, make sure that everything is connected here. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. I'm going to grab the eraser tool. I'm going to erase this. Oops. Undo. I'm going to fix this really fast. Okay, so we have Okay, so I just kind of went in there and broke up the space. I was kind of playing with it. The lines weren't doing what I wanted them to do. So I'm going to tap E. Being fussy. Make sure that you save frequently. It'll save you a lot of heartache. Okay, so I'm going to emphasize, if you can get 2 windows that are roughly the same size in here, I'll be happy. Don't stress about getting them exact. I was just playing with it, and I was being very fussy. So I'm going to delete these guidelines right now. See, it's not doing what I want it to do. It did right there. It didn't up here. So that most likely is going to not go well in terms of things that I want. That probably means that something is slightly off. Something's sticking out just a tiny bit, which means I'm not going to be able to pull it. Yep. Okay. I'm going to go back through and redo this one little window, just because we're going to make it real simple. Okay, guys? I'm sorry. Okay, I think what happened somewhere along the way is I didn't stick it to the wall properly. So anyway, we're going to save this. I'm going to wait for it to save. Okay, I'm going to close this out. So we're going to go R tool, the rectangle tool, and it should say on face. We're going to do a high up rectangle window that is all on face. If you do this, I will be happy. And tap F. I was trying to get fancy with stuff inside of it. Get fancy. We're just going to go right here. We're going to go on edge on the inside. We're going to go outside 3 inches, enter. And then take the push-pull tool, grab this, pull out 1 inch, hit enter. We're going to push the inside. We're going to go on face. And remember that when we're doing this, we want to make it look, remember, it's going to get that weird look to it. We want to make sure we get that correct. That's the look I'm looking for. See how it's like kind of shiny looking? That's the one. So that will actually cut through. Okay, on this side, in this shower, okay, what we're going to do, undo that pull, redo that cut though. I'm gonna center this, kind of rotate it back around. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to tap the R tool, go corner to corner, like that. It heals the edge, or appears to. We type F, gives me the offset tool. I want to go inside here, and then pull out 3 inches. Tap the push-pull tool, cut out 1 inch, hit enter. We're going to grab this materials, okay? I want the gray glass on the inside, and I want the reflected glass on the outside. That is it for the windows, okay? You have all of your windows along two sides of the apartment. If you can get close to this, I will be happy, okay? I was trying to get fancy and show off there, and it didn't work out. So, okay. You guys are great. There's one more video that we'll do on placement of doors, and that's it.